Ever heard the one about the smoothie that went to a health spa? It got blended out of its mind and came back feeling fruity. Now, let's chat about superfoods, those nutritional powerhouses that can transform your morning blend from a mere beverage into a health elixir. Here's a paradox for you. The tastiest ingredients in smoothies are often the least healthy. I'm looking at you, chocolate syrup and whipped cream. On the other hand, the healthiest ingredients taste like they've been forged in the fires of culinary purgatory. Ever tried a spoonful of spirulina or a gulp of wheatgrass? Yeah, not exactly a party in your mouth. But that's where the magic of smoothies comes in. With the right mix, you can mask the taste of these superfoods while still reaping their benefits. That's right, your taste buds won't even know what hit them. So next time you're blending up a smoothie, remember, it's not just about the taste, it's about the nutritional punch it packs. Or doesn't. Depends on how much you love your taste buds. Let's roll out the red carpet for the superstars of the smoothie world. No, not the strawberries or the bananas. I'm talking about the real MVPs here, the superfoods. First up, we have spinach, the leafy green that Popeye swears by. And no, it won't give you bulging biceps, but it sure will give your smoothie a nutritional kick. It's like adding a multivitamin, but without the chalky aftertaste. Next, we have chia seeds. These tiny little powerhouses are like the invisible heroes of the smoothie world. They might be small, but they pack a punch in the fiber, protein, and omega-3 department. And last, but certainly not least, the blueberries. These little warriors are bursting with antioxidants and they promise to wage war against those nasty free radicals in your body. So there you have it, 3 superfoods that could be the secret to your next super smoothie. Or they could just ruin it for you. Who knows? So, what's the takeaway here? Should you add superfoods to your smoothie or stick to your usual mix of fruits and yogurt? Let's break it down, shall we? Superfoods, these nutrient powerhouses, can take your smoothie from just tasty to tasty and super nutritious. They pack a punch with antioxidants, fiber, vitamins and minerals, all the good stuff your body craves. Now whether you decide to go the superfood route or maintain your fruit and yogurt status quo, there's no right or wrong. It's your smoothie, your rules. However, do remember, a little spinach never hurt anyone. Unless you're a bug, in which case it's probably fatal. And there you have it, folks. A smoothie saga of epic proportions. Superfoods? Yes. Bugs? Not so much. Thank you for tuning in, folks. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to comment your favorite superfood below. Or don't. But remember, the spinach is watching.